Just give me 1 minute and I'll delete your fear of getting shin splints when you run. First, shin splints don't happen because you run too much, but they do happen when you don't protect yourself against the damage of running. Because every time that you land in your running stride, your shins are absorbing force both through the front and the back. And when your shins become tight, weak, and imbalanced because you ignore them, then running doesn't just hurt, but it actually causes damage. And that damage never goes away on its own. So to start actually fixing your shins, your long-term targets are 20 reps with 20% of your body weight for the front and 15 reps with 20% of your body weight loaded for the back. But you don't start here, nobody does, because instead you start in unlock twice a week, 2 sets of 25 reps for the front and 2 sets of 25 reps on both legs through the back. Having your feet closer to the wall here makes it easier, and the further that you move your feet from the wall, the harder that it's gonna get. Then for the back of the shin, it's simple. The more knee bend that you go into, the more you're gonna be loading those muscles, the harder it's gonna get. And by gradually building up this strength, following the program route from unlock to rebuild to targets, you stop having to cut your runs short because of pain, and you get to go back to running as much as you want without ever getting shin splints. Using code FRESHSTART gets you 20% off your first month in the program at runningability.com using the link in the description.